What's up, guys? It's Thunder Breezy. I'm living easy. I might step outside, catch me a floozy where my dog is.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Thunder Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, it ain't Sunday, so we gotta get to it. Might step outside, might catch me a floozy. Hey, what? You hear that? Rolling them hands together like bird, man, baby. Let's get this week started, man. But, hey, people ask me all the time, man, why are you so bullish about drip, man? I'm going to tell you why I'm so bullish about drip, boy. Coming up in just a minute. But let me get this Avarice out the way, because you know I can talk about drip for 2 hours. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to get Avarice out the way. Let's see where we at. Oh, lobby yesterday ended up at 19. Oh, in case you didn't know, I'm doing this video the night before. This is actually Sunday night. So I don't know what the price of drip or whatever going to be in the morning. But you know what I'm saying? I'm going to put a whole family in drip. They begging me to put them in drip, and I ain't even do this one-on-one. So they got like 5 of them. I got to put like 5 people in drip at one time. They know what they doing too. They all in the Telegram. They know about the taxes and all that. Aight. You know what I'm saying? I'm just a man of the people. But anyway, man, back to this Avarice. So we had 1,974 in the lobby, and you might think like that's a down day, whatever. It's still more than the first day. It was the first day, second day, third day, fourth day. It's still more than all those days. I put in 1.6, and I got less tokens than when I put in 1 on the first day. So this thing is still, it's crazy, man. And people thinking it's a whale game and all. Let me show you something. There are 11,000 people in here, 11,500. There have been 18,000 BNB deposits. What that tell you? That's small people. That's why it's so noticeable when a whale jump in here. Look at this. 0.2 auction entered. 0.5 auction entered. You know what I'm saying? Auction entered. 0.09. Bro, look at this. Auction entered. 0.15. 0.3. That's 1. 0.5. Man, I'm trying to tell you, bro, like, this is not a way. The small people are making good money. That's why they keep going in here. They ain't made this kind of money nowhere else. That's why I say, if you new and you coming into this stuff, man, hey, shout out to you, man. You know what I'm saying? You making this good money. But anyway, let me check on my, I know you want to see my stakes, see what I'm making. Let me show you my stakes on what I'm making. That's what it's all about, the dividend. Bump the pool. See what the dividend, with that 74, with that 71 BNB stake. What you making on that, Donald? Let's see what you got. Let's see. There we go. Look at that thing. Load them up. So as you can see, right there at the bottom, my total dividends is 75.9, basically 76 BNB. So I've already ROI on that 71. The rest of it is just, you know what I'm saying, a little dust, what they call it, dust, whatever. But anyway, on that specific one, 71 ETH, I'm at 40. It keeps saying ETH. Why I keep saying ETH? 71 BNB, I'm at 46 BNB on that one. And that one ain't on the 16th. You see, man, I told you how to do this. I ain't nothing all that 30, 60, 90 day. I gotta get mine. But anyway, man. So we're gonna move on. This thing's still going. We're gonna keep it moving though to the king. Drizzy. Now look, man. And then I'm gonna show you something that's interesting too. Now, like I say, this is the night before, so I don't tell you, price might be $7 by the morning. I don't know. I'm just telling you right now, Sunday night. Check this out. The price is 9.557 on the DEX, and it's $10.81 on PancakeSwap. See, the price is always different. People do that. They what you call arbitrage. You know what I'm saying? You can buy on one and sell on the other one. You know what I'm saying? They just call arbitrage. That's just what they do, man. Hey, that's what happened. But anyway, I'm gonna tell you why I'm so bullish on drip, right? First reason I'm so bullish on drip is because I'm gonna give you some alpha right about projects, man. If you listen, especially if you're new. One way you can tell something wrong with a project is when the developer is worried about price. You see what I'm saying? When the developer is worried about price and trying to fix actual price, you got a problem. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I ain't trying to point out, but I'm just for reference because we all in the same stuff. Like when bank teller, you trying to fix peg and all that, it doesn't work. When you worried about just price, it's not going to work. You know what I'm saying? That's with anything. You have to develop the ecosystem, and that's what Forex Shark is doing. Dogs in the farm, they're supposed to come out this week. You know, he like to do AMAs and all. He gonna do all that, gonna wrap that up this week. He works on the ecosystem. The price gonna take care of itself. You see, like I said, I'm going to put people in this thing tomorrow. Let me show you something. Let me show you something, man. This thing ain't gonna even load. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Just go 7 day. I want to show you. Well, I'm gonna go max because I want you. I'm gonna show you. I want to show you. I want to show you. Go 1 year. Because basically every chart looked the same in crypto, man. Every last one of them. Okay, this is what I want to show you, right? This is a 30-day chart. Now you would think the thing just ended yesterday. Oh, the price down. You think it do just like this, shoot, but it didn't, right? And this is what's so interesting about Drip. From about June 5th to about the 9th, we had a huge influx of people, right? As you can see, that's why the price, you know what I'm saying? We had a bunch of people come in for about that 4-day period. You see that? So they doing good. Everybody swear, oh, everybody got in at the top. They got in at 160. No, they didn't. No, they didn't. Just like all these people. That's why they be in the comments. They making plenty of bread. Even the older people. You know what I'm saying? We just greedy now. We want that money. We want that thing to go back up. You understand what I'm saying? But another reason I'm bullish is because of the team, bro. The new team in Drip. Forex done hired a bunch of new people, got rid of some older people. Wasn't nothing bad. The older people the one that got it where it's at. So it ain't nothing bad. But you need different departments. This thing is becoming a conglomerate. This thing is becoming too big to fail. Like seriously, the ecosystem is going to be too big to fail. It just is. I mean, let that sink in. This Drip ecosystem is going to become too big to fail, bro. They are so excited doing what they're doing. They got too much. They're going to have to start rolling out double stuff at the same time because it's too much. You know, they already got the new Drip UI finished. The scratchy tickets are finished. If you ain't did the demo on that, go do it. You can actually scratch the ticket off and see if you won. Non-winners are going to be winners. They're going to turn into NFTs, which you can stake to make more money on. And the winners, you can win. I think they said you can win up to $1 million or something. It's going to be crazy. You're going to have people that got nothing and turn into instant millionaires. Period. Like that's, where else can you do that? Even if you win $100,000, you got people that's putting in 0.1 and 0.2. You scratch off a ticket and you got $100,000, bro. Where else can you do that? You understand what I'm saying? The developer is not worried about just single price fluctuations every day. He is building this thing out and it's going to be so awesome. You just need to be in position when it comes because you have to use Drip. You see what I'm saying? For all this stuff that's coming, whether it's partnerships, whether it's farming, whether it's the tickets, and all this other stuff. You know, you already got something that's going to pop up that you don't even know about. That you don't even know about. I want to show you something else right quick, too. Right quick, while that's on my mind, right quick. I saw this right here, right? I ain't going to say the guy's name because I ain't trying to out nobody. And I'm like, they might be a cool guy. I don't know. It popped up in my, the recommended video. But he's in the Drip, Telegram and all that, too, right? So he put up his May profits, right? Now, he do a lot of side talking about drip, this, that, you know what I'm saying? All that old backhanded stuff. You know, it's all good, though. Whatever. But when you look on his profits, look right here. You got Piggy Bank. You see what I'm saying? You got some stuff right here. You know, shout out to Imp Money and all that. Look at number one. One is project, so that don't even count. So number one is Drip. He only put in $5,000, profiting 620%, $32,000, bro. See, y'all think I be lying? I be telling y'all these folk living their lifestyle off of Drip, but then be having all this backhanded stuff to say and all this carrying on. This platform is actually is sufficing your life. I told y'all. Now shout out to him for actually showing it because a lot of people won't even show it. Crypto slow, Trayvon. I don't call no names. You know what I'm saying? They, you know, you'll swear coming from somewhere, just some on Tron or something, but it's coming from Drip. That's how they paying their bills, bro. From Drip. Period. You understand what I'm saying? I have to show you stuff like this. I'm telling you, Drip is awesome, man. This thing is so awesome. It ain't even funny. And what's today? June? What tomorrow? I guess tomorrow will be June 13th. We ain't even got to the 4th of July. We ain't even got to what is it? Labor Day. Man, the fireworks are gonna be awesome for Drip, bro. You ain't even, what's the new UI? The new UI so smooth, bro. It really looked like something from like Charles Schwab or something. Like serious. It makes you want to just move around that thing. Oh, matter of fact, let me do my reservoir. Makes you want to just move around it. And you know what I'm saying? Put a little dollar. I told you, but I'm almost about to 3. I got to put 3. I don't play. Even off camera, I go in the reservoir. This is what I do. I support the project. If you want the thing, you know what I'm saying? You got to help the developers out, man. They doing their job behind the scenes. We got to do ours. You understand what I'm saying? That's why I'm so bullish on it, because they bullish on it. They don't care nothing about what the price, all that. It's gonna be here. Just like I'm doing this video right now the night before. I can't do that about no other project because I don't know if it's gonna be here tomorrow. Drip is the only thing I would do that with. I just throw Avarice in the front because that's what we doing now. But it might be gone. I'd be like, oh man, I'm sorry. I don't know what happened. But I know Drip gonna be here in the morning. So I can do my video tonight. Because I know it's gonna be here. I can go to sleep knowing I'm getting my 1%. Knowing they're not gonna change the rules. Just knowing the claim button gonna work, knowing the sell button gonna work, knowing the buy button gonna work, knowing the compound button gonna work. You understand what I'm saying? Now my MetaMask may not work. But hey man, I'm so bullish on Drip, it's not even funny. You understand what I'm saying? You should be too. You just gotta position yourself. I'm not telling you not to sell. Everybody, you know, sell, get a little couple dollars, that make you happy. You get a couple dollars, oh man, you tripping. You know, you get a couple dollars out the play, but that make everybody happy. You understand what I'm saying? Getting money, that's what we do. But you need to get excited, man. Stay positive, be excited. But better days are coming for Drip. I'm telling you. You know I'm be right there. What in the world going on? Anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, go in the reservoir. Hold it, your boy. Okay, it might give me the finger. It might give me the finger. You know what I'm saying? There we go. This got to do it for the haters. They thought MetaMask gonna keep me up out that reservoir. Do it for the haters.